So x will get cancelled, amma. So x square will get cancelled plus 7. So here 1x will get cancelled. 4 by x plus 3 by x square. I will write x power minus 2. Close the bracket into dx. Here I will write separate integrals. Integral of x dx plus integral of 7 dx minus integral of 4 into 4 by x. You can write one more step. 4 by x into dx plus integral of 3 x square into dx. Now here what is the x power n means you can write x power integral of x power n dx. So you can write by x power n plus 1 plus 6. So now here 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1. 7 you can write constant value outside. Integral of dx. 4 constant value you can write outside. 1 by x dx plus 3 also constant value you can write outside. So x power minus 2 into dx. So here what you can write are x square by 2 plus 7 into integral of dx. So x minus 4 integral of 1 by x log x plus 3 into x power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 plus 6. Okay. Once you can copy none.
Completed, sir.
Okay. What about remaining the?
Completed, sir.
Okay. Next problem. Integral of x cube plus 3x plus 4 by root x into dx. What is given? Integral of x cube plus 3x plus 4 by root x into dx is given. So now here I will write x cube by root x power 1 by 2. I will write any one problem. X power 1 by 2 means root only, no? Plus 3x by x power 1 by 2 plus 4 by x power 1 by 2 into dx. Now here x power 3 we can't cancel, yes? So that's why this x also I will write minus 1 by 2. Numerator only I am writing x inverse plus 3x x power minus 1 by 2 plus 4 x power minus 1 by 2 close the bracket. So into dx. Now here already you know one formula. What is the formula, sir? A power m into a power n is equal to what can write, sir? A power m plus n. Exponential form already you were studying in 8th standard itself only. In this formula, a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. Bases are equal. Powers you can add. So same formula you have to apply here itself also. Bases are equal. Powers you can add. Integral of x power 3 minus 1 by 2 plus here what is the power, sir? 1. So x power 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 4 into x power minus 1 by 2 into dx. So here what is the LCM, sir? 3 into 2. 6 minus 1. 5 by 2. So x power 5 by 2 into dx plus integral of 3 x power 2 under 2 minus 1 by 2 into dx plus 4 is the constant. Integral of 4 into x power minus 1 by 2 into dx. So now here is equal x power 5 by 2 plus 1 by 5 by 2 plus 1 plus 3 is the constant value, you can write outside. X power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1 plus 4 is the constant value, you can write outside. So x power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus. So now here you can find out 2 1 by 2 plus 5, 7 by 2 by 7 by 2 plus 3 into 2 under 2 plus 1. 3 by 2. Here also 2 under 2. 3 by 2 plus 4 into x power 2 under 2 minus 1. 1 by 2. Here also 1 by 2 plus. Can stop here itself. If you want one more step also, you can write. 2 by 7 into 8 power 7 by 2. 3 into 2 by 3. 3 will get cancelled. Okay. 1 second copy now.
அதெல்லாம் ஒன்றும் ஆகாது ஒரு ட்ரிப் எடுத்தோம்னா
Tomorrow morning test, Nora, for maths. Friday.
Yes, sir.
Morning MCQs, evening objective. Sorry, subjective, yes. Morning MCQs, Nana. 30 problems I gave. 30 into 1, 30 marks. So multiple choice questions, options also is there. In evening, 5 problems I gave. Okay. Each problem 4 marks. 5 into 4, 20 marks. Okay.
Okay, sir. Sir, only trigonometry guide, sir.
Only trigonometry then, Anna. Only basics that also related 10th standard also I gave. Okay.
Sir, evening just only 20 marks, sir.
Only 20 marks, Nana. 5 problems I gave. 5 into 4, 20 marks. Each problem 4 marks.
Okay.
Okay. Evening, what time you were writing the daily test?
30 marks, sir, evening.
Evening, okay, no problem. What time you were writing?
Sir, at 6 o'clock, sir.
Okay, okay. Morning?
So 6:30.
Morning, Amma, morning what?
6:30.
6:30 to 7:30. Okay, ma, okay. Completed, right? Completed, ma.
Yes, sir.
Next, one more problem. Integral of x cube minus x square plus x minus 1 whole divided by x minus 1 into dx. Same once again. X cube, okay, minus x square plus x minus 1 whole divided by x minus 1. This is what Nana factorizations method. First, here factors will come or not, you have to check. Why? Because numerator also 1 and more than terms are there. Denominator also 1 or more than terms are there, means 2 terms is there. You can't write separate. So that's why first you have to check numerator factorizations method. So here I will take common x square. X square I will take common means here what you can write are x only, no, x square into x cube minus 1 into x square, okay, plus 1 I will take common. So 1 into x, 1x minus 1 into 1, 1 whole divided by x minus 1 into dx. Okay. Here also x minus 1 common factor. Here also x minus 1 is the common factor. So I will take x minus 1 common factor. So remaining what is there, sir? X square plus 1 whole divided by x minus 1 into dx. Here x minus 1 will get cancelled. So remaining x square plus 1 into dx. So now here I will write separate integrals. So integral of x square into dx. Here what is the symbol, sir? Plus integral of 1 into dx. Here what is the formula I can apply, sir? Integral of x power n into dx. So x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So this formula I can apply. X power 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 integral of dx means what can it, sir? X plus c. Now here x cube by 3 plus x plus 1 second copy.
So completed, sir.
Okay. Okay, Nana. Tomorrow you have test now in trigonometry. Oh, 20 minutes is there. 20 minutes. I will revise the trigonometry. Okay. See, in trigonometry, here what is the only basics, Nana? So what is the basics, sir? In table of the trigonometric, 6 functions are there. What is the 6 functions, sir? Sin theta, cos theta. Third one is tan theta. Fourth one is cot theta. Fifth one is secant theta. Sixth one is cosecant theta. In this 6 trigonometric ratios of the functions. In this 6, any order you can write, that is your wish. Sin, cos, tan, cot, secant, cosecant. Here depending on trigonometric values means degree, 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 270 and 360. You were studying up to, I think, 10th standard up to 90 degrees only. 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. Here extra concept for 180, 270 and 360. Here they will ask only 30 degrees, sorry, 0 degrees, 1 second, concept is same. So 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 270 and 360. Okay, this is the degree. This degrees convert to radians means pi. Okay, they will ask that model. So here 0 means 0 only can write, no problem. 30 degrees means what you can write, sir? Pi by 6. Pi means, sir, 180. 180 by 6, 30 degrees. So that's why you have to convert to pi by 6. Pi is equal to what, sir? 180 degrees. Pi is equal to 180. Next, 45 degrees means pi by 4. 60 degrees means pi by 3, 180 by 3, 60. 90 means pi by 2 means 180 by 2. Pi means direct 180, no problem. 3 pi by 2 means, sir, 3 into 180 by 2, 2 1 is 290 is 9 into 3, 270. So that's why you can convert to 3 pi by 2. Next to 2 pi. 2 pi means 2 into 180, 360 degrees. They will ask for sin pi by 4, sin pi by 3, tan pi by 2, tan 5, cot 3 pi by 2, cot 2 pi. What is the value? That already you know. I gave classwork also. Okay, one model you have to prepare that one. Okay. Next, in these coordinates, all silver T cups, first coordinate, second coordinate, third coordinate, fourth coordinate. In these trigonometric 6 ratios are depending on coordinate, which is the positive, negative, positive divided. So that is x dash, y dash. Zero of the coordinate. This is the first coordinate. This is the second coordinate. third, fourth. Here already you know conditions. All silver, tea, cup. All silver, tea cups. All means are all trigonometric ratios are positive. All trigonometric ratios are positive. Silver, sir. Silver means starting letter words are S. S means sine. Sine reciprocal cosecant. T, sir. Starting letter T means tan theta. Tan reciprocal cos theta. Cups, sir. Cos theta. T means cos reciprocal secant theta. So here all trigonometric positive sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, secant theta, cosecant theta. These 6 ratios are positive. Silver, sir, means sin theta positive, cosecant theta positive. Now. Second coordinate, sin theta and cosecant theta positive. Remaining negative means minus tan theta, minus cot theta, minus cos theta, minus secant theta. T means tan theta and cot theta is the positive one. Tan theta and cot theta is the positive. Remaining cases negative. Minus sin theta, minus cosecant theta, minus cos theta, minus secant theta. Remaining cases. Cups means cos theta positive, secant theta positive. Remaining cases negative. What is the negative, sir? Sin theta, cosecant theta, tan theta, minus cos theta. They will ask, what will ask, sir? Coordinate 4. Okay. First coordinate, second, third, fourth. Fourth coordinate. Sin theta is the positive or negative? They will give options. Positive. Option B, negative. Option E, C, both plus or minus positive and negative. Option D, not defined. What is the correct option? Yeah. Second coordinate, cot theta is the positive or negative? Option E, positive. Option B, negative. Option C, positive and negative. Option D, not defined. What is the correct answer? You have to. So this is next, in first coordinate, what is the degree, sir? 90 minus theta means what you can write, sir? Pi by 2 minus theta. Next, 180 minus theta means what you can write, sir? Pi minus theta. Next, 270 minus theta, what you can write, sir? 3 pi by 2. I am writing here. 3 pi by 2 minus theta. 360 minus theta, what you can write, sir? 2 pi minus theta. What will ask, sir? Sine of 90 minus theta is equal to what can write, sir? Cos theta. Sin of 90 minus theta is equal to what you can write, sir? Cos theta. Cos of 90 minus theta is equal to what you can write, sir? Sin theta. Sin cos, tan cot, secant cosecant. So here, tan of 90 minus theta. Tan of 90 minus theta, what you can write, sir? Cot theta. Cot of 90 minus theta is equal to what you can write, sir? Tan theta. Secant of 90 minus theta, what you can write, sir? Cosecant theta. Cosecant of 90 minus theta, what you can write, sir? Secant theta. This is the first coordinate. Why, sir? Some cases they will ask, what will ask, sir? Cot of 90 minus theta is equal to option A cot theta, option B minus cot theta, option C tan theta, option D minus tan theta. Which is the correct answer is option. Okay, this is the one more. So here 90 means okay. Sir, here 180 minus theta. So sin of 180 minus theta is equal to what can write, sir? Here second coordinate same function only will come. Sin means sin only, cos means cos only, tan means tan only, cot means cot only, secant means secant, cosecant means cosecant. So here sin theta. Okay. Second coordinate sin theta, what's up? Positive. So okay, no problem. Positive only can write. Next, cos of 180 minus theta. What you can write, sir? Cos theta only you can write. Cos theta. Cos second coordinate positive or negative? So negative. So that's why minus cos theta you can write. Same. Tan of 180 minus theta is equal to what you can write, sir? Tan theta only. In second coordinate, tan theta is positive or negative? Negative. So that's why minus tan theta. Next, cot of 180 minus theta, what you can write, sir? Cot theta only can write. Cot second coordinate negative or positive? Negative. So that's why minus cot theta. Same. Secant means secant only. So secant what, sir? Positive, negative only. So negative. Cosecant of 180 minus theta, what you can write, sir? Positive. So positive. They will ask, now what will ask, sir? Sin of 180 minus theta is equal to what? Sin theta, cos theta, minus sin theta, minus cos theta. So here, sin of 180 minus theta means what, sir? Sin theta plus sin theta. Minus sin theta, wrong. Cos theta, wrong. Minus cos theta. So that is the option. Okay. This is the second point. Next, third coordinate. Here again, same. Here one thing, na. First and third same. Second and fourth same. First, sin means sin only will come. Cos means cos only will come. Tan, sorry. Second and fourth same. Sin means cos, cos means sin. Same here also. Sin means cos, cos means sin. Tan means cot means tan. So here, see, sin of 270 minus theta, what you can write, sir? Cos theta. Sin cos. Cos here positive or negative, we can check. Negative. So that's why minus cos. So next to cos of 270 minus theta, what you can write, sir? Sin theta. Sin third coordinate here. Negative. So negative. Tan of 270 minus theta, what you can write, sir? Cot theta. Cot positive. So positive. So cot of 270 minus theta, what you can write, sir? Tan theta you can write, sir. Tan here, sir, positive. So positive. Same like that. cosecant. Cosecant means what you can write, sir? Secant. Secant negative. So negative you can write. Secant 270 minus theta, what you can write, sir? Cosecant theta. Cosecant what, sir? Negative. So here also same. What is the position? They will ask. So that's why first and third same nana, second and fourth same. Second, see na, here what you can write, sir? Sine of 360 minus theta, what you can write, sir? Same function only will come. Sine means sine only. In fourth coordinate, sine what, sir? Negative. So negative. Cos of 260 minus theta, what you can write, sir? Cos only will come. Cos negative or positive, sir? Positive. So positive we can write. Next, secant of 2 pi minus theta. Secant means what you can write, sir? Secant only can write. Secant is the positive. So that's why you can write positive. Tan of 360 minus. So tan only will come. Tan means what, sir? Negative. So negative you can write. Cot of 260 minus theta, what you can write, sir? Cot theta only you can write. Cot what, sir? Negative. So negative. So all silver tea cups. 90, 180, 270, 360. Okay. Next same nana. What, sir? 90 plus theta, 180 plus theta, 270 plus theta. Okay. 360 plus theta means that sine of minus theta, cos of minus theta. That is. See, 90 plus theta, where will you can start, sir? Here now. This is what you were writing like this, anti-clockwise. So 90 plus theta means clockwise direction. So here 90 plus theta, 180 plus theta, 270 plus theta. 90 plus theta, where will start, sir? Fourth coordinate. Same only, all silver teacup. What is the positive, what is the negative, you can write. Okay. So 90 plus, 180 plus, 270 plus. Okay. So this is the my new students, Nana. That's why I'm explaining once again. So someone is joining late now. So 1 second revise, Nana. Okay. So one more, Nana, one more model. What is that, sir? Single degree sine of minus theta. What you can write, sir? Minus sine theta. This also they will ask. Sine of minus theta is equal to what? Plus sine theta, minus sine theta, tan theta, cos theta. Like that also they will ask. Next, cos of minus theta means what you can write, sir? Cos theta. Cos and secant. Cos and secant. These two cases positive, remaining cases. Okay. sin, tan, cot, okay, secant, positive, cosecant. Okay, so these 6 cases, these 2 cases only positive, remaining 4 cases negative. Okay, this is one model. Next, one more model, sin x is equal to 1 by 2. Already you know sin theta is equal to what you can write, sir? Opposites by hypertense. Okay. Cos theta is equal to what you can write, sir? Adjacent by hypertense. Tan theta is equal to what you can write, sir? Opposites by adjacent. You know in Pythagoras theorem, in this triangle, one angle must and should be right angle triangle, means 90 degrees. One angle exactly one right angle triangle. So for example, here theta means this is the opposite, this is the adjacent, this is the hypotenuse. In Pythagoras theorem already you know AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So now here sin theta is equal to what you can write, sir? Opposites by hypotenuse. Cos theta is equal to what you can write, sir? Adjacent by hypotenuse. In this depending on cosecant theta is equal to what you can write, sir? Hypotenuse by opposites. Opposites. Cos theta depending on what you can write, sir? Secant theta. Secant theta what you can write, sir? Hypotenuse by adjacent. Tan theta. Tan theta what you can write, sir? Opposites by adjacent. Cot theta what you can write, sir? Adjacent by opposites. Okay. Depending on these 6 cases, you can apply the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Remaining tomorrow